Hi everybody. Welcome to my vlog. And I am here today to Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. We are unsa ba English og haros? Unsa English og haros ti? Kanang we are
Haros?
Oh yes.
Getting off the leaves.
We are taking off the leaves of the unsa ti in English kamong gaiti? Leptospirosis. Asa to? Horse radish? Asa to? Ha? Ano sa gili ay? Basta it's moringa. It's we're getting off the leaves of the moringa. And here's my assistant. Assistant ito ginoo ko. And there's a baby here sleeping beauty. And look at my hands, it's so very dirty because I you know that what do you call the hiccup of kamuti? Ay. I touched the kamuti because I timbang because there's someone buying ba, and then I'm the one who timbang it. Kaliso to mag-English, oy. Oh no! In English o magtimbang. Weighing. I'm the one who weigh the the sweet potato because he buy 20 kilos. Yeah, that's so very mini. Oh, here's my assistant. It's a very faster to hugot the moringa. Our moringa is a very beautiful because it's a fresh. It's a very fresh because it's fresh from the farm, and there's an animal here. I don't know what's the name of this animal. Maybe it's a crocodile. I don't know, basta it's animal. Oh, have you seen it? It's walking in the leaves. Huh? Flying mantis? It's a flying mantis. What's flying mantis? What's the green color ba animal? walking in the leaves. Ano?
Mantis.
I don't know what's the name of this. Oh, what happened to our moringa? It's already tired because it's a very hot. Yes, it's very hot here in our little house. Yeah, look at our little house. We are gonna tour now. Here is our. We have no cabinet. That's why we use this cartoon. The lime plus light. We use this. We put our clothes here. Look at that. It's from Gigi store. She's my sister. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello vlog, welcome to my
Oh, she's following my statement. Oh, we have here an umbrella for the dangerous rain pouring in the ocean. We have here a guitar because we're gonna kas if we're boring here ba. We have also the ukulele. We have here the pansalat over there. We put it in the bag. We're so very noisy. There's a baby here, sleeping beauty. Look at that baby. What?
Akong panty naman sa iwang mga box.
Oh, you're looking for your panty. Your panty is hanging in the coconut tree. No. I already put it on your barrel. No, I don't want to get it. Why you're combing your hair? Your koto is sliding down. You get her panty. Your panty is, your underwear is very, what do you call the luag? Very, huh? It's very straightened. Look, get the underwear. It's inside the barrel. Oh yeah. And give to manager because he is taking a bath in the what's the English of tabay oy wheel in the wheel. He's taking a bath in the wheel. Oh my God, the door is closing now. The door is closing because it's automatic. When there's an air getting inside. We have a cat here. She is delivering a baby now.